Welcome to Kwik Kayak's instructional video. The Kwik Kayak motor is designed to fit on most kayaks that have got scupper holes 25mm in diameter or more. If it's under the 25mm diameter, then the shaft is not going to fit through, and Kwik Kayak motors is not for you. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to show you how to put on the propeller. So it comes with a pin that goes through the hole here, like so. There we are, we attach, put the pin in there, and then the propeller just fits on the top. On the propeller there's a couple of grooves, and it just inserts over the top of the pin. Nice tight fit, and then we put the washer on top, and we screw up the nut like so. The Kwik Kayak motor also comes with a spanner that you can just tighten up the propeller so it's on nice and tight. Okay, there we go. What we're going to do next is I'm going to show you how to attach the motor actually onto the kayak. So what I want to start off by doing is we put the square washer on first. So we place that through here, through the wires. I already have the other stainless steel nut on, all ready to go. And you'll notice I have it about 5 or 6 turns from the bottom. Just makes it, when you're coming to undo it, just makes it a little bit easier if there's just a little bit of turn room here at the bottom. Okay, what we're going to do now is put the kayak up on its side, like so. And we're going to put the positive wire through the scupper hole. And then we're going to get the washer and the nut. And we simply place it through. And we place the nut through as well. After we do that, we place the washer through the hole. Well, screw on the nut, like so. So then you'll see that the washer and the nut have gone over the top of the motor rod, and then we simply screw it up. Screw it up, so it's nice. Just finger tight will do for this part of the operation. There we go. And so you can see that's in there. And then we just drop the kayak back on the ground. And we're now going to tighten up the motor. Now, I usually find that just using a spanner or a pair of pliers like this works fine for tightening up the nut. A lot of the kayak bottoms are quite different. They've got grooves on them, and on different kayaks they can be different sizes, and sometimes the grooves can be uneven. Like on my Mission 420, for example, they are quite different sizes, and so for the nut to do up tight, the square washer needs to be flat. And so what you may need to do on different size kayaks is just place a little bit of foam rubber just under the edge. Just under the edge, when it's a little bit looser, you'll see. You can just lift this up and place this just under the edge, like so. Now we don't need to do it on this one because they are fairly even, but as I was saying before, on my Mission 420, for example, it is uneven, and just placing the rubber just balances out and gives it a nice even across the board fit. So different kayaks have got different sizes, and you may need to cut the rubber to fit the different kayak. You can just make them a bit thinner, or you may need to use 2, depending what sort of the grooves are like on your kayak. Okay, so right, now let's tighten this up. So we start by just finger tightening it, but then what we need to do is use this here. And don't be scared to make this nice and tight. So just keep turning it until you're sure that it's really secure, because you don't want to be out on the sea getting to your favourite fishing spot, or out in the lake, and for the whole thing to come loose. So really important that it's nice, secure, tight fit, and you don't want it twisting and turning on you around. So that's what I want to make sure I do. Give it a nice fit. Just a couple more. Right, that's not going anywhere. Okay, then we simply turn the kayak back over, place it down, and we're now ready to attach the switch. Which is, you just hang on a second. There we go. I forgot to bring the switch. Okay, so the Kwik Kayak switch. Now, this is designed to connect into the black wire or the negative wire of the battery cable. We simply undo this, like so. There you go. Place that through there. Do up the wing nut. Like that. And there we are. Ready to go. Now this has been sealed and it's waterproof, so it's water resistant too. So if you get splashes or anything like on that, the switch will be fine. It's not recommended that you submerge it, but if you should capsize your kayak, your switch will still be okay. There's an on and there's an off. So you simply turn it to on, to the red for off. Green's on and the red's off. It's been designed so that it can actually go over your shoulder and be attached to the life jacket. So you can clip it onto your life jacket when you're sitting in your kayak, and then you're motoring along. You want to turn it on, simply turn it on. You want to turn it off, simply turn it off. If you do another turn past the off condition, the cap actually comes off. But this is great if you're parking at the marina, you want to leave your kayak and you don't want anybody to steal it, you can simply take the cap away with you. So we just place that back on again. And this wire then just gets connected to the battery at the back of your boat. So your battery will be sitting at the back of your kayak, you connect the black up to the black terminal, the red goes to the red terminal, and there you are, you're ready to go. For more information on battery, in regards to time and usage and what sort of batteries are the best batteries, we've got a look at the Kwik Kayak's battery video, and that will give you a bit more information. But there you go, you've got your motor on, you've got your switch on, you're ready to go down to the beach, go to the lake, and just have an awesome time. Thanks for watching the Kwik Kayak instructional video.